What's the meaning of Bulldog Drummond? Bulldog Drummond. Bulldog Drummond.
Bulldog Drummond. Bulldog Drummond. Bulldog Drummond is the title character of a series of detective novels by H.C. McNeill, who wrote under the pen name Sapper. The character first appeared in a novel published in 1920 and went on to feature in numerous sequels, as well as stage plays, films, and radio and television adaptations. Bulldog Drummond is a wealthy gentleman adventurer who becomes a private detective and solves crimes with the help of his friends and associates. The character is known for his physical prowess, bravery, and chivalry, as well as his intelligence and deductive skills. The legacy of Bulldog Drummond is that of a classic pulp hero and a symbol of British adventure fiction.